If you're like me and every day looks like a different adventure, then you are going to love the all-new MOD Black. Introducing the MOD Black 3, our adventure-grade electric bike. This full suspension bike is ready to hit the trails, packed with the latest technology and loaded with features. We upgraded the electric system with a new 750-watt gear hub motor. And ready for that, we added the thumb throttle for maximum fun on two wheels. A 7-speed drivetrain paired with our new state-of-the-art torque sensing pedal assist system that will amplify your pedal strokes and ensure smooth and responsive assistance. Our new 15-amp integrated battery will allow you to ride for up to 50 miles in a single charge. Want to double the range? With the dual battery compatibility, you can snap on a second battery and extend your range up to 100 miles. Not only do our bikes perform well, they're extremely capable. These new performance upgrades are all controlled by our new full-color display. It puts everything you need within view. From speed, battery level, to a clock to keep you on time, introducing our 5 new pre-configured riding modes that are tailored to maximize your riding experience. Fit, an innovative mode designed to articulate riding on a regular bike for your daily workout. Eco, travel further while preserving energy and maximizing your range. Cargo, for powerful acceleration from a standstill and preserve energy as you coast with heavy cargo. Sport, designed for your daily commutes and provides power to go the distance. Turbo, our favorite mode. With our 3-inch tires and full suspension kit, Turbo mode was designed to let it all out. Safety is important for us. That's why our hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors come standard on all of our bikes, so you can stop on a dime. And an integrated headlight and taillight will keep you safe even at night. MOD Black is now compatible with our all-new MOD Connect. This new feature will allow you to sync a smart Lumos helmet with the bike display and control turn signals and brake lights directly from the bike controls, adding a second level of safety and 360 degrees visibility, day or night. But wait, there's more. Charge your phone on the go with the built-in USB charger. Snap on our expandable trunk bag to carry your laptop, or connect the front rack for your camping equipment. This bike is loaded with features for your perfect adventure. MOD Black was built to perform every day in every scenario. In your commute to work, while exploring nature, or while shredding the trails. No matter the road, this bike was built for you. Our bikes are built for the long haul with 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's why we offer 5-year limited warranty, 5-star support, and a 14-day free at-home trial. Try it, see if you like it. If not, just send it back. If the MOD Black sounds like a good fit for you, I invite you to join the MOD Bikes family today. Head over to modbikes.com or give us a call to learn more. Thank you for watching, and let's ride.